Hello everyone, this is Parth from FTC Team 7477, and today we're going to be talking about how to use and set up Trello for team project management. Trello is a free and useful tool in order to manage your team's projects. First, go to Trello.com. If it gives you a prompt to sign in, hit continue with Google and enter your Google email. Now it will prompt you to this page. Our first step is to create a new workspace. Hit the plus in the left corner and choose your workspace name. We're going to title this Super 7. For workspace type, you can just choose Other, and you can add an optional workspace description. Then hit Continue. The next page will give you an area where you can instantly add workspace members. However, I'm going to do this later, so I'll just hit I'll do this later. Now you have this page with your workspace. You can invite workspace members here by typing their email address or copy a link to invite them. Go to the top and hit the Create button. Create a board and title your board. You can choose your background here. We're just going to choose the purple background. Then go to the Visibility tab and choose the visibility of your board. I recommend Workspace as it'll ensure that everyone in your workspace can see the board. Hit Create. Now this is what your board will look like. All your titles will go here, and we had to form the list for titles. So the way our team does it is uses a to-do list with items that have not been started on but have to be done shortly. Next is our in progress list, meaning items or tasks that are currently in progress. Next is our complete, meaning items or tasks that have been done that might need revisiting. And these are the three main tabs that you'll be using. So when you want to create an event, you can create add a card. Let's say fix drivetrain motor. That means this task has not been started. In progress, let's write create auto first tournament. Complete, let's write design robot in CAD. So these are our list of tasks, and we can always add to these through adding a card. You can also write descriptions for the tasks just by clicking on the card and writing the description here. Right drivetrain motor broke on Tuesday, and save it. Now I'm going to talk about two other lists that you might want to include that can be very helpful, and I'm going to call these upcoming meetings and outreach events. For upcoming meetings, you can add whenever you guys are having a team meeting or a meeting with a mentor or someone like that. So let's write mentor meeting with Mr. John Doe. Again, go into the description, and here what you want to do is go to the dates and choose a date and time. So let's say our meeting is July 3rd at 1 o'clock. Then it will add a checkbox here that shows when it is due. It will also show July 3rd on the card. You can hit this checkbox to complete the meeting once it is done. Similar thing with outreach events. Presentation at local school. Go in, go to the dates, choose your date, choose your time, and that is it. Another thing Trello does is when you have a date that is upcoming, say July 1st at 2 p.m., or let's do July 1st at 11 a.m., it will show you a due soon and highlight this yellow. So this is very useful for project management, and you can easily move these cards around when you need to. Say you need to revisit this, you can always move it back, And this is the basics of using Trello. And thank you for watching.